If you believe your product or service can fulfill a true need, it's your moral obligation to sell it. You know, when a lot of people think about great salespeople, they think about passion. Some people call it passion. Some people call it, he's hard-headed, maybe. He's like, there's nothing that gets in his way. I remember when I used to drive to stores, some of the owners would hide because they didn't want to deal with me. Because they're like, oh no, Adi's here, he's going to make me buy a bunch of stuff. They'd go in their office and shut the door and say they're not there anymore. I was so persistent on trying to sell new products to them and push something and push the location that they went. It's something I used to say in mortgages all the time. I used to tell the client, give me 10% of your trust only and I'll earn the other 90. I was selling financing over a telephone. They didn't see me. They didn't know me, and within 10 minutes, I had to get their social security numbers, their date of birth, a lot of personal information. So a lot of times it was tough to do. So one of our lines we would say is, look, give me 10% of your trust and I'm gonna earn the other 90. And I think this is a great business philosophy. When you go into these stores, and they don't trust you fully to put a new product in there or to move the location, sometimes you could tell them, give me 10% of your trust and I'll earn the other 90. Let me put this for 1 month here, and if it doesn't sell, take it out. If it sells, we'll keep it. But trust me, I know what sells in this area. Give me 10% and I'll earn the other 90. So I think a lot of businesses use this philosophy to make sales. Let's think about it together. Number 1, consignment. An arrangement in which goods are left with a third party to sell. I think consignment is saying, give me 10%, that's like, give me 50% of your trust and we'll earn the other 50, because we're actually leaving goods on our dime there. If you believe in your product or service that it can fulfill a true need, it's your moral obligation to sell it. So going back, the fact that we do consignment, this is the most trust that we could have. When somebody says consignment, I already know they trust their product or service. This is strength, right? So doing consignment shows like, hey, the reason why we do consignment on some of our products is because we know our product sells. This is us earning your trust to show you. Give us 10% of your trust, we'll earn the other 90. So consignment's a great example of doing that to earn your trust in a store, because once you do it once or twice and it works, the relationship should be solidified forever. Free trial. I'm running some ads online right now. I'm going to switch it to a 7-day free trial. You know why? Because 60% of people that sign up for 7-day free trials forget to cancel on the 7th day and they get auto charged. But also the other 40%, half of them will stay after the free trial because they earn your trust. So a free trial is a way that a lot of businesses out there get business today, by giving a free sample, a free trial. So I think a free trial is a way to get more business. So as we go over these traits, I want you to realize these are the strongest traits in America that big businesses, multi-million-dollar businesses are using to sell. This is all trust that we're giving you and that you're giving your customer. We don't know if the owner will be missing next month and we don't get our money ever, but we're trusting them to leave a product there. Number 3, worldwide money back guarantee. When you want to talk about trust, this is us stamping our trust on every single product. A lot of jobbers these days say, no, we don't take damages. We'll give you a cheap price, but we don't take any damages. We're literally saying every single product that we put in your store, we stand behind it. And I think when it comes to trust, there is no better trust than me saying, I'll put this product here and no matter what time, when it happens, we got your back. You could return it. It depends on how passionate you are about this stuff. If I'm going inside the store and I'm telling every single customer, look, by the way, we just launched a worldwide money back guarantee on all of our products. Customers don't even have to return here anymore. They can return online. And I talk about that everywhere. Customers are going to start talking about that because I'm talking about it. So really, if you want people to talk about something and you want to make something important, it has to be important to you. A great leader and a great team reflects their leader. So a lot of times people tell me like, oh, my team doesn't care about contests. I say, you don't care about contests. A lot of people say my customers don't care about the quality. They only care about the price. I say you don't care about the quality and you only care about the price, because your customers are going to reflect you. But if every single time you go inside the store, you talk about quality, 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 after 5-6 visits, your customer starts caring about quality because you persuaded his mind to care about quality. So again, this is very important. It's a great trait to build success. How strong are we using this trait when we go into these stores? So think about what we got. We got consignment. We could leave something for a month and collect the balance next month to give them a trial. And we got a money back guarantee on all of our products. We're just stacking up these things on our backs as we walk in the store. Number 4, Well, why does Costco, Sam's Club, why do they give samples out, you guys think? Increase sales. They trust their product so much that they're like, here, take a taste of our product. Usually they have the best stuff on samples. You eat a piece of the product and then you end up buying a box of it because Sam's Club, Myers, they only sell boxes anyways. So it's a genius play not only to get customers in on the sample day to bring more business into the store, but also to push more products because the products that go on samples always have the highest sales that week. Think about that. Because they're giving trust in their product and they're saying, try this. Try it for free. And if you like it, it's right behind me. Grab one yourself. And if not, keep walking. So giving somebody that kind of trust, you try it. Now your taste buds are going up. You're having a good experience. You're getting dopamine. And that makes you buy because they're putting you in your emotional state to make you want to buy something. So like if these things work, we got to sample them. So samplers are great products to use. And some of you guys might say, well, yeah, you know, the owners are not even there, man. I'm going into the workers. Samples work with workers as well. Workers are the gatekeepers. We got to get past the worker to get to the owner. So we can make best friends with the workers as well and have them sell for us. That's a second level of sales. All right, last example. I went to Rainforest Cafe before yesterday with my son and my wife, and I got the sampler, right? It's one of my favorite things. I've been getting the sampler for a long time, but now my sampler is a little different. My sampler now, I change it and I make it 80% egg rolls, and then just some tenders and some nachos. And I cancel the other 3 things because I just needed to get the sampler one time to figure out what I like. So how do we use the sampler in our business? Well, we leave 6 different products, 1 of each. We put them somewhere and we say, let's see which one sells next month. Or we give the owner a couple of samples, say, check these out for yourself. Let me know which one you like. I'm going to bring you one of them next month. Restaurants and big chains, $1 million, billion-dollar chains, cheesecake, they all have samplers on the menu because it works. You give somebody a taste of something, they end up ordering more of it. They trust in their product, so they're willing to put you 6, 7 different foods on one platter to let you sample it and offer trust. We trust our product so much, we'll put 7 all on one plate, and we know you'll love it all. That's another sign of trust as you're going into these stores. If I want to sell you this crystal pen, you rub it on your forehead and it gives you good frequencies, good spirits, good luck. There's 2 ways I could sell it, and I want you to really listen to this. One way is, hey, how's it going? I have these pens here. They cost $4 each. You sell them for $8. Could I put 5 of these on your counter and then see what happens next month? That's the wrong way to sell this because gonna tell me, no. That shit's not gonna sell. Get it out of here. The right way to sell it is I come in with 12 of these in a box and I drop it on the counter. I'm dropping these at all of my accounts. They're selling like crazy. I guarantee you, man. I don't know what it is, man. People this year are just into this crystal shit, but they're selling like crazy. $5 each, you sell at $9.99. When I come back next month, once it's empty, I'll leave you 3 boxes instead. But let's start off with 1 box this month, okay? I already added it to your bill. That would be the right way to sell it in my eyes. I would drop it like it's selling everywhere so hot that it needs to be dropped there, like I'm almost doing you a favor. So the reason I say that is because if I go in and say, do you mind if I put you 3 samples of 3 products that I think will sell here? That's not the right way to sell it. But I come in and I say, hey, here's a sampler line. I got 3 of these new products on there. I didn't want to leave you a full display because I want to make sure they sell for you. Let's see which one sells, and next month I'll replace it for you and I'll get you more of those products. Sound good? Or if I want to leave them extra iPhone chargers, I don't come in and say, hey, you sold out of iPhone chargers. Do you mind if I leave you 12 extra on a hook? I come in with 3 hooks of iPhone chargers, say, hey, you've been selling out of these every single month. Here's 3 rows of extra chargers for you. I want to make sure you don't run out again. So I want to make sure that when we sell these sampler hooks, that we just demand it and we assume the sale instead of ask for the sale. Because why the hell would I have to ask when I'm trying to make you more profit? We're partners in this business. Now again, the worst case scenario, if you have a real customer that you know is going to give you a hard time, they're going to tell you, take this off the bill. I'll say, all right, no problem, man. It's selling everywhere else. I thought you'd like it, but I'll take it off the bill. Why not leave 3 instead of 12? Just leave 3 of them on the counter and see what happens. No, I don't want it. You know what? Don't even pay me for it. I'll leave you 3 on trial. If they sell next month, I'll charge you for them. If not, I'll take them back. What do you got to lose now? So again, if they say no after I assume it, I'm going to go to the sampler. I'm going to go to the guarantee. I'm going to go to the free trial. And I'm going to go to consignment. Because these things are my bullets and my weapons behind me that I could use at any time. So first I'm going to try to sell the full display, full cash. Then I'm going to try to get the half display, half of the cash, half of the balance. Then I'm going to try consignment. then I'm going to try free trial, then I'm going to try samplers. Full display, half display, quarter display, samples, one, or a free item. So remember that as you go in these stores. Then I even asked ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT, what's the benefits of selling a sample hook business to business? And here's what it said. Number one, attract new customers. Offering free samples can grab the attention of potential customers who may not have considered trying your products before. It provides them with an opportunity to experience your product directly, creating interest and potentially turning them into loyal customers. Number two, showcase product quality. Providing samples allows customers to witness the quality and effectiveness of your products firsthand. When they try and enjoy the sample, they're more likely to believe in the value of the product and they'll be willing to purchase it. Number three, increase product visibility. Offering samples helps to create awareness for your product. When customers try samples, they may share their positive experience with others, leading to word of mouth marketing. This can help extend your customer base and generate more sales. Number four, build trust and credibility. By offering free samples, you demonstrate your confidence in the quality and benefits of your products. This can help build trust with potential customers who may be hesitant to try new products or brands. Once they experience a product's benefits for themselves, they are more likely to trust your brand and make a purchase. Number five, encourage trial and repeat purchases. Free samples act as an incentive for customers to try your product without any financial risk. If customers have a positive experience with the sample, they are more likely to make a purchase and become repeat customers in the future. Overall, using sample hooks to offer product samples in business helps to engage customers, build trust, and increase the chances of converting potential customers into loyal buyers. You heard it here first. From ChatGPT, I truly believe this is going to be one of our strongest assets this year to increase sales in our store is this little simple metal hook. Hey, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're enjoying it. If you'd like to see a bunch more content exclusively for you, sales, leadership, mindset, business, growth, click right down here below and hit subscribe for me. Every single week, you're going to get exclusive content delivered to you first. We also have a link in the bio with all of our products and coaching. We'd love to help you 10x your business and 10x your sales. Thank you for being a part of the community. We appreciate you.